Welcome back to Team Performance TV, guys. Today we're going to be taking apart the Audi track car. You're going to see how much harder it is to remove parts that are crashed compared to a normal car. The way this car was hit, everything was pushed back. It's going to be a pain in the you-know-what to remove everything. It's so much harder to remove parts that are crashed compared to a normal car.
Move it. Pry this back. And then pull, yeah. No, pry it back. Then pull this whole side up. That's what I want. Huh? Pull it. The line. I'm trying to wiggle the line out. Trying to wiggle the line right out? No, I couldn't get the wiggle. Yeah. Save the line is good. There's one of these lines that have a dowel in it, isn't it? I have a flathead. I'm gonna grab it. By Alex foot. There we go.
Oh, you need to cool on it.
Yeah. Step on it. Flatten it up. We can reuse it. No. Yeah.
This one here, they go.
Yeah. No, you took it off. Yeah, come. So this is day 2. Strip the whole front end. So only the supercharger pulley got some damage. There. This was hitting that, so we bent it back out. But otherwise, pretty well. No. The other way, right? Alrighty guys, I took off both fenders, as you can see, the hood, got to replace the windshield, hood hit the windshield. Then we gotta go straighten out here. That's the only other damage that we see. Everything else seems to be intact. This fender, pain. This washer bottle gotta come out. And then there's a bolt here, and there's another bolt right there. And then of course those two down there. I was fighting with those on the other side for a while. But yeah, so this side's good. So we gotta get that side looking like this side. And then we can start mounting up the front end. We ordered a CSF rad, ECS heat exchanger, condensers there from Rockada. But cooling fan is coming tomorrow. Right now the CSF rad is on back order. Oh, CTS wanted $100 for this filter. On the ground there. Found it on Amazon, 25 bucks. Get the filter and I gotta tighten that clamp down. But yeah, it's coming along. Pretty solid. Okay.